Hello everybody, welcome everyone to the video. Today we're gonna be working on this big ugly thing here. Hasn't been done. I think we did it last time. It's 5-6 years ago. Rough shape, big one. I'm gonna bring you guys along with us and show you guys some of the difference once it's going to be cut up. Plus we broke our second boom van, broke this morning. Something wrong with the hydraulics, so we only have one van going right now, and this is on the schedule, so we had no choice but to do it. Look at that big thing. Look how ugly that is. See the guy up at the other end up there. Turn the strobe lights on. I don't know how we're going to get up in the corner there with those wires. Might be a hell of a time getting up there. right, we're coming out, take a look, see what is going on. Our hardest one this year, for sure, the hardest one this year. Especially down one boom van. That don't help. But we're getting done what we can. Look at how much we've pulled out of here so far. Look at how much. Look at Matthew standing there. When you're going to get up by the post, try to get it stuck in as much as you can so that you can go in the back a little bit if you can. I'm having well,
somebody's gonna have to get in there.
Yeah, don't worry. It's not as long up there, eh? Behind the tree you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't worry about that too much. Just start there, but it's when you...
Because I couldn't even get in there.
It's okay. When you get up, it's just when you get up there, we're going to have you stretch out as much. I started about not quite halfway down. I'm down in the corner now. It's because there's those buckets, those full of tires. They have some cabans, and having a hard time trying to get in there. Right now they're trying to cut me a hole to get in there.
Those little tin ones, huh?
Yeah. All right, just be careful. Look how much we're taking off. Hope you guys are enjoying this. We like making these videos for you guys. Show you guys what we do. So Ariel's using a step ladder and just trying to round off a bit where you can see up there where there's some left. What Brian was talking about was right there. Boys are trying to get that ladder in the corner there for me. Doing a good job. All right, let me get in there and get up there. Grab my machine. Well, that was a very hard one to do. Very hard. Just showing a guy here. Just là, là. Okay. Look at that pile of cedar. Look at the guy standing beside it. Biggest pile we've had in a couple of years. All from this big thing. I think it's been 5 years we hadn't done it. It's been a long time. Got some flowers right there at the bottom. Make some wine, dandelion wine. The poor man's wine, I guess. come out pretty good though. Just takes a little bit more time because we don't have the second boom van or bucket truck, however you want to call it. Brian's just gonna go finish up the corner up there. When I get closer, you'll see that there's a little bit left up there, so he'll fix that all up. Looks good, Brian. A couple what?
There's a couple quecks there on the corner. Right?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, we'll get them. You guys remember what it looked like when we started here? It did not look like this. Yeah, come out good. Hey! Frank! Deux couettes! Une rallonge. So you see right by the road here. So they got a letter from the town telling them they have to cut it back. Goes with the budget too, eh? This costs a lot of money to do a job like this. Oh man. Alright, well, we'll get a ladder. Oh, c'est correct. Fini. On va aller nettoyer. T'es capable de nettoyer? Blower?
Ah, blower?
Oui. Prends l'échelle, blower là.
Okay.
Alright. Unless Mike Philip. Did you do the little quets?
Yep.
Okay, wait a minute. Can you take the ladder and just use a blower and just blow that? I don't know why
yeah.
Jonathan didn't do it. Thanks, Phil. Let's go back, check it out. Ah. Veux-tu nettoyer avec blower maison? Alright, Phil, you take care of that. Yvan, va chercher mon échelle. Ouais, la grosse, ramène. Merci. Merci, Yvan. Alright, let me get around here out back, show you guys. We're just finishing up the cleanup and the final touches of this place. Anybody need some rims? They got some here. That's as good as it's gonna get. We can't do any more than that for what we do. Mon échelle est partie?
Comment?
Mon échelle?
Oui.
Elle est déjà en avant? Okay.
Oui, en avant.
Ah, elle est là, Yvan. Alright, let me get this. See Brian up there in the corner behind that lilac. See, so you want to see what a lilac looks like if you've never trimmed it. It looks right like this. So if you go look at other videos we've done, they didn't look like that when we trim them every couple of years, make them look good. These hedges are so big here, so big. That's because over the years they didn't do it very often. The hedges are probably 50 years old here. Well, if you guys made it this far, if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. You know, we like doing this for you guys. So we'll see you guys next one. C'est Dieu le veut. À la prochaine. See you.